As I been dey watch the match, everything been dey go like normal scripted Chelsea match. But when dem carry red card dash that old man, Thiago Silva, everything just change. Chelsea turn to Enyimba, West Brom turn to All Stars. Before you know, keeper don dey assist striker like say na Ederson. Pereira wey you no go know say na Brazilian. Na that day all of us come know say na Ronaldo de Lima descendant. Robinson wey no even start match, come inside turn to Lewandowski. All the 5 goals wey he don score this season, na Chelsea collect all of them. Mendy turn to goal collector. Even Jorginho come dey play like say person hack am. The only thing wey he sabi do to dey pass ball left and right, he no sabi again. Last the thing sweet me die.
No be lie, even Sugarcane no switch me reach that match. Some people dey talk say na the international break cause am. I come dey ask myself whether to share follow them go, because even the guy head knock. How you go comot Zia and Captain America, leave my boy Jorginho? It no make sense nah. Even me for comot am.
Oga, shut up! You will like Jorginho pass your blockers.
Respect yourself or no carry my blockers enter this matter.
Oga sorry, what of Arsenal-Liverpool game? How you take see the match?
I don dey talk am since. Arsenal na Momo club. In short, Arsenal just dey like my guy here Mourinho. Carry big name finish, but them no sabi anything.
Wetin dey worry this guy na?
The only thing wey them get na pass glorious.
I go break your teeth oh. E be like say you no wan chop food again.
Every time I talk true.
Brother Ramos, good afternoon, sir.
Hey, my boy. How you dey?
I dey fine, sir.
Benzi, how far now? You done ready for a classical?
You know me now. I definitely ready for that match. Why you go injury for this kind time? You know they try you.
Omo, no be my fault now. You know sir for like play that match. But as it be now you go carry am for head.
No problem now. Shebi the match na Saturday.
Yes now. Vini, I like wetin you do Liverpool. I for like play that match with una, so that I go fit dislocate Salah second shoulder. But injury no gree me.
No mind am. The guy still get mine scores goal.
If to say I dey, he no fit try that nonsense. Before I forget, Atletico Madrid don tire for that top and we need to replace them. Bobaka dey form unbeaten.
Na true. How many games have?
Them say na 19 oh.
Chai, no be small form them dey oh.
Abegi, you dey fear?
Fear waiting. E dey sweet to scatter person unbeaten record now, especially if na your rival.
Na my guy be that. Vini Bobo, you hear wetin he talk ba?
Yes, sir.
Una must scatter that their nonsense unbeaten rubbish. Make them know say na we get Spain.
But
no but me anything. Just do them wetin you do Liverpool.
no problem, sir.
Na true sef. I say make I warn you. This your on and off form don tire me. Na bad market for us. Today you go be Alexander the Great. Tomorrow you go turn to Great Ode. Wetin dey happen na?
Nothing, sir.
Wetin dey smell like this? You smoke weed?
No, sir.
If you lie for me, I go bulala your yash.
I smoke small, sir.
So na wetin you dey smoke come play match?
No, sir.
I swear to God, if you lie for me one more time, I go pee your yash.
Sometimes, sir.
No wonder you dey off and on.
But Kochi.
Shut up your mouth. Make I no ever catch you smell weed. Talk less of to smoke am.
But Kochi, na the weed they make me dey on.
No wonder. Okay, no worry. Remind me to charter you freshly harvested Jamaican ganja before every big match.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now well, this match nigga has to predict. You see, bear, LFS knows so we're dealing a trophy addict. We know say in fit stab himself when meant because in the carry trophy. But something they tell me say this tackle guy you met him.
So wetin dey try talk na?
Chelsea go win their match.
Make termite bite my yash comot. Na Chelsea wey West Brom touch 5-2 one beat Man City. I be na the one wey Porto win the other day.
No mind am. Na some mumu people dey talk.
Not be this same Chelsea this semi-finals for Champions League.
That one na luck na. UEFA dey give them people wey them suppose beat. You know who Man City be?
Tough na get problem. And na the tech like say Men Saturday indestructible. Let's not carry 10 men knock them the other day. The time why I flag them to Pendel, no be used to tech say I nigga fit beat him. Make na day they rent in the mouth. Chelsea go soon shaking me.
You be Chelsea fan?
Which kind meme question they ask me like this? You be Man City fan?
So Ole, as you dey like this now with your tiny brain, you think say Chelsea go beat Man City?
Now you get tiny brain. Na true?
Na luck the guy take with me.
You don't mean it. How you take Bilek?
That Mumuchuku send Kante make he break the brain a leg. Now he make her come out and quick. And my boys come they miss chances.
Now me dey kill like. Ebe, kemet for here, je. You no get tech. I watched the match fell time. No quadruple for you.
So you call me to just waste my time?
No, I called you to tell you say all this nonsense is the famed trophy addict. Nyewesh, and
Idiot.
I say make I come sympathize with you. I hear say Chelsea brush you comot for FA Cup, and I know say you like to dey carry all the trophies.
Omo na so we see am o. The thing just dey vex me. I no fit believe am.
Try, Pele o. I know say e dey pain you o, but I swear to God, this thing dey sweet me die.
So even you too.
Person don troll you before.
See this woman o. Your only reliable striker don go injury. You no get up to qualify for any European football next year.
God forbid.
And I go still trash you for Carabao Cup final. You dey here dey try throw me.
You no fit trash me.
You say wetin?
I say you no fit trash me. That cup na my cup. I go die first before you win me.
Better start dey dig your grave. Make am 20 feet because I no go pity you. Idiot.
Sir, you sure say na me you wan call so? Na Mourinho you dey talk to o, no be assistant coach. You wan sack me? I never play the finals na. But this thing no good though. We agree say I go play finals finish. Then maybe you go change your mind. Wait first so. So as I dey now, make I dey carry my kaya dey go. Just allow me play one match na. Abeg I dey beg you. Make my guys no laugh me. I swear na thunder go fire you. Who you think say you be sef? You know who I be? You think say you fit just wake up one morning, sack me? You know how many trophies I don carry? The trophies wey I get plenty pass all the trophies wey una don ever carry for una existence. Na me be the special one. Nobody for this life special reach me. I special pass una whole club. Wetin be Tottenham sef? You no fit sack me. I swear na God go punish this man.
So, e no even reach 2 days when dem start the Super League before that thing turn to Super Story.
No be small super story. I hear say the Mumu Florentino still wan repackage abi na restructure the thing. Even after all the English team don fear run comot.
Leave those people. Dem no even know wetin dey inside football.
I swear.
Na why dem dey sack coaches wey sabi? Come dey employ small boys to coach team na. Kai, but Mourinho, na good thing say dem sack you o.
Sorry, which one be all this one again? No be sack wey dem sack you tey.
My sack and your sack no be the same thing. Dem sack me after I carry Serie A. Yo, dem sack you so that you no go carry the club go nothing.
See person wey dey talk. PSG don carry any Champions League. Your league na Farmers League. Una no get any business with Champions League.
Dey there now. You see this Champions League bar? Na me get am.
You smoke pipe?
Before, na only Harrison I get. But now, I get Mbappe, I get Neymar, Di Maria. In short, I get everything. I go beat you. Beat anybody wey I see for finals. Carry my trophy, dey go house.
I don confirm am. You don smoke pipe.
Una don train finish today, ba?
Yes, sir.
How many laps una run?
500 laps, sir.
I say make una go 1,000. Wetin dey worry una?
Coach, hamstring injury won't kill us, so. Now by the grace of God, we still dey waka.
Una don do shooting practice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. As we dey now, we must carry this Europa League to qualify for Champions League next season. Na true sef. Who will dey go jam for semi-finals? So you no sabi who will dey go jam? Coach, I never get time check fixtures. Shut up there, useless boy. But you get time go chop nkwobi for Mami Wobi restaurant. Coach, person need to chop na. Especially with all these life-threatening training sessions you dey give us.
Saka, abeg now we dey go play for semi-finals.
Oh, so you no know? No dey shout na. Make coach no hear you.
Na Villarreal na.
Obama, so even you no sabi who will dey go play?
Now what for you? Which kind mouth you get, sef? You know sabi whisper?
Shut up there. You know dey shame. On top say na be skipper, you no sabi anything.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself.
Now what for you? Make I knock them 5-0. The boy na JJC now. You know go make sense make I flog and finish now. They go come sack am because of me. No be say na him reach the final sef. Na Mourinho be one flog well. Make e get small sense.
You know well o. You get sense reach me. You win amateur for finals. You dey rejoice.
E dey pain you. If na you, na 5-0 go carry go house.
Ma die. For finals. You don't know my reputation for finals. Na you for collect.
Now you get your mouth now.
Oga Mourinho.
Shut up. You know see say grown men dey argue.
Sorry, sir.
Calm down now. I be your friend though. I want to know how you dey.
I didn't tell you already. I did fine. Wetin you went?
How lights for una side?
Tender fair yeah. Dem tell you say na Naija e dey. I get this Kello.
Okay, sorry nah. I wan ask for one small tiny kinkini favour.
Take him, no waste my time.
The match wey we get on Sunday, abeg you fit dash me 3 points based on our friendship.
I know you.
Haba, you be my guy na.
Even if you be my wife, I need the dash you anything.
But you don already qualify for Champions League and me and you know say na Man City get Premier League trophy.
And sir, I need the dash you anything.
Okay, you know wetin? Just borrow me the 3 points. Next season, for the first game wey me and you go get, I go give you back. Abeg comot for here Joe. If you sabi wetin better for you, better bench Rashford and Bruno. Because I don tell my boys to break their leg if dem venture enter that pitch. And you go see say na me go still carry that 3 points go house. Nonsense.